Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Landrover Defender. This is a Pioneer unit. So kind of from any screen, if you go to this button here, this silver button, which is kind of the menu, you've got the Navi apps, AV, telephone. If you just click on telephone there, you'll see no device, but there's a kind of a settings motif here, the cogs, connection, auto connect, visibility, so connection, and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro and a bin besides it. We click on the bin, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, delete, yes, okay, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Landrover Defender. It's a Pioneer unit, so we go to settings and then just make sure Bluetooth is on. We're watching out at the bottom. Over to the unit, we press this silver button here, the kind of mode and menu button. Telephone is over there, audio visual there, so we click on telephone, no device. You've got the settings, the cogs there, we click on the settings, and then you've got connection. Now connection there, it's a bit vague. So on some units, as soon as you press that, it starts looking, nothing's happening here. What you have to do, this magnifying glass, the search icon, click on that, now it's looking. Doesn't do anything before that. You could sit here for a long time. So we're watching here at the bottom. It will give you a pin code, or usually it gives you a pin code of 0000, but then it generates, if you do it this way, it generates a random pin code. So rather than having to put it in on the phone, you just have to agree the pin code. So Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, there you see pin code 0000. It's looking here. There you go. Would you like to pair with this device? And it's generated the random pin code 227879. So pair and yes. You'll see there it had come up at the bottom. It comes up as AVIC. So allow contacts and favorites to sync. And there you go. AVIC F9. And that's it connected. And it's connected on here. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this Landrover Defender. So what we need to do, we need to go to music. We'll just pick a record to play. We'll click that one. And then we go on to the actual record. You'll see there, that's what will play. I'm going to turn it down. But you see at the bottom there, AVIC F960DAB. That's the unit in this car. If I click on that, you've got a choice. You can either play it through the music through the iPhone or this AVIC system. So that's what we want. We now go over to the unit. We click the menu button. Or there you go. You've got Navi, apps, and AV telephone there. We want AV. That's it. We want Bluetooth. There you go. That's it playing. If for any reason you can't see the name of the record or you can't hear the music, click on the downward arrow there. And there you go. As I say, if we come to it, nothing was playing. That's on auxiliary. We click on the downward arrow, then we click on Bluetooth, and then that's the record. If I click play there. So that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Landrover Defender, and it's the Pioneer AVIC system. So we'll just wait for it to come on. So it's saying ready there. If I click the menu button here, then I go over to Navi, I have to click OK to say yes, I'm not going to be distracted. Again, it's loading up, taking its time. So there you go. That's the screen that comes up. You'll see here there's like 5 lines. Click on there, looks like a stack of coins. New route, click on new route. Address, town or postcode. And then we P with Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston PR. Now we need to go to, how's that actually pressed? Hang on. Sorry, P. Oh, my useless fingers here. We now need to go to numbers, so that's 1, 2, 3 here. Click on that. 5, space, 4, E, A. And then that's it, PR54EA, that's it there. So we have to agree that's correct. Click on that, go to town, United Kingdom, town or postcode, go, select his destination, now planning the route, start navigation. That's it. That's how you do it.